What's up guys? So I've used a lot of wireless earbuds over the years, and today I have another pair to test out, the Mpow MX3's. So I had these for a few days and these are my first impressions about them. So let's start with the unboxing. They come in a smallish box with a classic Mpow orange colour on the top sleeve with a lot of specs labelled. After struggling to take off the top sleeve, you're greeted with a plain black box with Mpow engraved in a metallic red colour on top. Then once you open the box, you are presented with the charging case and earbuds in their individual spaces wrapped with plastic. Then after carefully removing them from their spots, you can pick up the plastic container holding them in place, and that reveals the compartment where you find your warranty card, quick start guide and manual, and you can also find a USB-C to USB-A short cable and silicone ear tips to place on top of the actual earbuds. That is everything that comes in the package. So let's start with design. The charging case is fairly sized and definitely pocketable, and the earbuds themselves are also decently sized. They have a matte white finish, which although looks good, over time might not stay so well as it could attract dust and small particles. The charging case is in this pill design, which is quite common for most charging cases these days. These earbuds have a long stem that look a lot like the original AirPods, just with a squarer stem. The earbuds also fit in the ears like original AirPods, but have silicone tips to make them secure in the ears. These tips are quite easy and straightforward to put on. Because these earbuds just sit in the ears, they also isolate less surrounding sound as they do not go deeper in your ears. They could have some advantages like when commuting, being aware of your surroundings, and they're also quicker to put in your ears. Now the mic. Because of the longer stem, the mic is closer to your mouth, meaning the mic quality should be better, which it is. I have made a few calls and asked them how the mic sounds, and they said it sounds normal, which is really good, as I've tested out earbuds and the mic just sounds robotic and really bad. So touch controls. I don't really use touch controls as they can be quite fidgety, but if I do, it's usually for turning up the volume or to pause. I've realised for these earbuds the sensitivity is quite low and small touches can trigger that, so keep that in mind. Let's talk about latency. For most things I've used these for so far, the latency hasn't been much of a problem, but for example when typing on screen, the latency is quite laggy, so the sound comes a bit later after hitting the key. I've used a lot of wireless earbuds, and to be honest, none of them can handle screen typing latency too well. But in most cases, I don't see latency being a problem on these earbuds. Now, connection. To connect these earbuds to your device is a simple and quick process. Just open the charging case, and after a few seconds, you should see the name pop up on the Bluetooth settings. After you have connected them for the first time, then as soon as you open the charging case, automatically connect after that. It's time to talk about sound quality. So in my first few days with the earbuds, I've listened to all sorts of stuff like podcasts, music, videos, movies, and throughout listening I've gathered that these earbuds have the same good bass other Mpow earbuds I've tried, like the M9's. They also have good clarity for the price, and overall the audio is quite good, but could be affected by the surrounding noise. This weird quirk I found was if you pause your music or something, you can hear this slight buzzing sound. You can't really hear it, but it's there. It has the capability to wireless charge. I'm not quite sure that was a good choice, as obviously it's a good feature to have in this quick moving tech world where you can now charge wirelessly at the back of your phones, some phones. Is it worth the extra price? That's every individual's personal decision. These wireless earbuds came out in 2021, so they're quite recent and retail for around £30 on Amazon, but overall I think it is a good deal for the price that you are paying and what you are getting for it. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, stay safe, peace and bye. My mouth's so dry, that was a long recording.